I'm Lisa Doyle with J. Rockcliffe Realtors, and Rachel Knight and I have an urgent buyer need that we need to share with you. We're helping a family looking for a home, and so Rachel, share with them what we're looking for.
Hi, I'm Rachel Knight, and we are helping a family. Their names are David and Diana, and they are looking to get into the Lafayette community. They have two young sons, 6 and 8 years old, and what they're hoping for is to find a 3 or 4 bedroom home in the central Lafayette area, somewhere with a flat lot and where they can either walk or bike to schools and to the downtown area.
Yeah,
so,
exactly. And we've written offers on several properties, and have, just because of the active market here in Lafayette, we've been up against multiple offers and have not been able to help them find a home. So we wanted to get the word out, what we're looking for. So if you know of anyone who's looking to sell a home, like Rachel said, near the downtown area, homes that might be coming for sale, or if you yourselves are planning to sell a home, we would love to talk with you. So Rachel, why don't you give them your direct line, and then I'll give my number as well.
We'd love to hear from you. You can call me. My name is Rachel Knight, and my number is 925-323-6311.
Okay, and thank you so much for your help. We look forward to seeing you soon.